external data, your data source from file, text file, and let's take the file, which is the booking. This one. Then, okay. Next, first row, next, advance, go to the question, and look at the thing. We said the date, it should be day, month, year. Nothing changes. 3 text, number, 4 text. 3 text, number, 4 text. 2, 3. This telephone should be short text because it's text also. Date and time, number, text. Date and time, number, text. So there's no worry about long integer because there's no decimals, okay? Day, month, year. So day, month, year. So I'm following the day, month, year format. Click OK. See exactly if that's day for the day, month, year. So it's fine. Then the primary key is set by cost ID, so which is this one. I'm making it a little faster, okay? So I know that you already have some ideas. So the YAC, the booking should be in the format of day, month, year. So let's take out the date, the part day format. It should be day, month, year.
We will change there and here also both.
It's more important. It might work directly, but if not, then just make sure that you will be modified. That's it. I already uploaded this one. We already take it. Now we have to make a screenshot, which you can do. Many relationship, the YAC ID, YAC ref, YAC ID. Close everything. Go to database tools, relationship. YAC ID, YAC ref. Create, close, take a screenshot for that, save it, and we're done. Add these informations in the booking table, which is click here. The last part, add it here. Okay, it's important to add it there. So we don't need it now.
How do you bring the option for the?
Okay, the last one. Click this, any of this. This one will go to the last. This will go to the new record. So it's okay. So wherever it is, it's fine. Then they said to create this thing using a field from both tables. So you have to close this thing here. You go to the create, and then you go to the report design. Query design. Highlight everything so that you can see it. I'm going to show it. Which is the YAC name, include the text C. So YAC name, it's here. So you have to show only those things with us having the word C. Like nothing. In here, there's nothing. Like Chelsea, this one. Okay. There's a word C, should be there. Okay, there's a lot, like that's 900. So we'll remove only, and we need only to show the word C. So star, C, star. So the word C can be anywhere, beginning, middle, or end. It doesn't matter as long as the word C is there. So see, now it's only 71 out of 900. So only those have C, C breathe, so everything with that. Days is 10 or more. So click the days. 10 or more, greater than, equal to 10. It's 10 or more. Run it. Now it's only 40 records. And that's it. Now it's saved here. There's a new field called charter cost. This charter cost will do something. This will calculate the value of the days multiplied by the day rate. Days and day rate. So add that particular days, add the day rates, because you have to show it, okay? And save it first so that you will get the idea. Make it number 1 or make it a question number, doesn't matter. Now, am I rushing or is it fine? Sure. Huh? In this part, you have to go to the build, and then you can see them. Days times day rate. Because we said the charter cost will multiply days and day rate, right? So just click OK. Now this word will appear. That zoom in that one. We need to replace this one and replace it with the correct word that we mentioned. They want the charter cost. Okay? Okay. And you will see now the charter cost is there. And they said it has to be currency with no decimal. So go back to the charter cost. Make it currency with no decimal. There you go. Done? Now, show only these fields. Title, first name, last name, telephone. First name, last name, title, telephone. Okay. First title, first name as the telephone. Depart date, depart port, yacht name. Depart date, depart port, yacht name. Okay. It's here. What else do you want? Yeah. What yacht name? Length, days, rate. Okay. Length. A yacht name, we already have yacht name, right?
Yeah.
So we can just remove this one. Okay. It will become a problem. Yacht name, then the length is not added yet. Days, rate, finish. The days, rate, and everything is there. So, yeah. So everything is there. We have everything we need. Just make sure to save it because we're done here. So just close this thing. What you're gonna do now is create this report. You go to create and you will go to report wizard. Click that. Select the query that we have done, which is the query number 1. Put them in order. Title first, name, last name, telephone, depart date, depart port, yacht name, length, days, rate, charter cost, right? Next. So if nothing is grouping, just click next because we don't want to avoid something which is grouping, like this one. Okay, there's nothing. It's fine right now. Like some of it will become a grouping of a certain fund, but there's nothing, so it's fine. So don't sort. Should be landscape because too many field. Yes, landscape. Fit on a single page too. Doesn't matter right now. We'll do it later. And the title that they mentioned is C Fleet Booking. So just type it here. Click finish. There you go. So they should have now the thing. Now we said make sure that it is displayed full. Some are not showing properly, so go to design view. No, better go to the layout view because this is more easy to look here. So you can adjust it manually here. Then make it like that. Okay, so again, this is adjustment that needs to be done properly because if not, it will make problem. Okay. So like that. So just make sure I'm using my keyboard because it's more convenient when you move it with the keyboard than mouse because sometimes the mouse is actually not clear when you grab it. Now, when you scroll down also to see that everything is shown. So if you look at what I'm doing, I highlight the thing I need to grab and keep some space into it. I think this is days only, so I don't think there's a problem with it. This one is a little bit lengthy word. I think I'll have problem with this because this is charter cost. Okay. So I will try to get these things here, bring them closer to that side because I still have space though. This one is the only thing. Oh, I have problem now with some things here. A little bit. Perfect. So nothing much now. Everything is fine. Scroll down to see everything. And we're good. It says that it should be ascending of yak name, descending of the part name. Scroll down. Here's a sort. Yak name, choose yak name. Where the hell is that yak name? What? Sort by what? I didn't have it. What's wrong? Oh, here, the first one. Good. Yak name should be ascending, A on top. And then descending upward day, depart date. So add sort again and make it depart date, which is in descending, right?
Yes.
The
Ascending, then descending.
yeah, descending. So descending means from oldest to new, no, from newest to oldest, descend. Okay. So that's the thing. Has a first orientation of landscape. So that's already landscape by default. Include the title. Let's already the title. Large font, yes. And then in calculate the total numbers of booking places at the end of the report formatted as integer. So now how many bookings? So just click any of this. It's already considered as count only. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. You can right click into it. You go to the total and then you go to the count records. Okay. Scroll down, it will show now the number. Right click and then set caption because they want you to add a title which is total bookings. Okay. That one here. Extended here. Yeah, so that will be clear when when you print. It's gonna be on the next page. There. And then it says has the label. Okay, display only your name, the journal number in the footers. It appears in the same position every page. Make sure it's nothing. So you can put it in the page or you can put that one in the date. I'd like to put in the date. Okay, so just go to the last part in the now thing. Right click, change to label. Okay. Then what you will do with that one, of course, add your information. Name, candidate number, center number should be there. So you run that one on print. Should show part of your name is there on every page, which is 2 pages in this particular one. So,
Yes.
so that's the first task, and we're done with it. I'll go to the next one because we need to complete papers at least, okay? The second part it says make sure screenshot the database formula calculated. So take a screenshot of this. Okay, that you have done. 17. So let me close all these things here. Say yes to it. Again, design, query design. Okay, because that's another thing we have to do. It says the days is 28. So find a field which is having a days of 28. So just simply write 28 and see the things. We have now at least 26 records. It says that the depart country does not include Croatia. So depart country. So depart country. So here, not Croatia. So just put not Croatia. That's how simple it is. Okay. So now if you run it, it was 19, now it's only 8. Sort it into ascending order of last name. So you can add your last name there. Not necessary for now, but just add it and then sort by here. You can find that sort ascending of last name. So ascending of last name. So let's take a look. So it's ascending. Now, they said something about the fields that require. So if you look at here, there are so many fields that requires, right? Make sure it's available or else you cannot have it later. So the yak name, title, first name, last name. Yak name, first name, title also, right? Yeah, title, first name, last name, postcode, depart port, depart country. Postcode, depart port,
Depart country,
depart port, depart country.
depart date.
We have already depart country. And depart date. We don't have. And days. We already have, huh? So once you have everything you need, just close that, save that, and make it your number 2 query. And just simply close it. You don't need it. But make sure it's checked or selected, okay? Select the number 2. Then you go to create, and this time it's not report wizard. Instead, it's called labels. Okay, click this one, and if you look at the question, it says something about making it into 2 columns. So this is already 2 columns. If you look, so if you want to customize it here, you can do that one with the number of edits you can do. But 2 columns is enough. It's already there. Let's go back. Label. Choose that one next. Next, we don't need anything. Now we need to put it in order. So if you look at the question, it says that there's a title or whatever. Okay, no title, that's good. So yak name, first name, last name. Okay, so just choose yak name. Enter. Title. No title. Title. Space bar. First name. Space bar. Last. Okay. Postcode. Enter. Depart code.
Port.
Depart port. Depart country. Depart country.
Space.
Forgot to put space. Depart date also. Depart date and days. Everything. Arrange. Next. Do not sort. Next. If you want to change the label, change it, but it's not necessary. Like just click finish. And your work will look like this. Have your name and at the bottom of each of that one. So modify the format of the yak name so it becomes center aligned and display in a bold, larger font. So what you will do, you have to go to the design view, click the yak name here, you go to the format and make it a little bit bigger compared to what it is, and then make it bold probably if you'd like to. And this said make it center also, right? Center on that particular thing, align the bold and larger font. Now your name should appear in that one, so you should go to the uh, design and you will see a label here, okay? Label. So in this part of the days below that one, just simply make a line, go back to the information, name, center number, candidate number, left at the each of the buttons. So that's left. Make it the same format so that it will look nice, like that. Make it with the where is the formatting tool here, and make it the same. So it will be the same thing. So again, what's this? Arial 12 and Arial 8. Did I choose it? Okay, Arial 8. So this one should be 8. How in the order can I select? Okay, let me highlight. 8. But why cannot modify it? Which can now? So 8. Arial also, right? And this has to be color black, just to make sure they're the same. Just make
They
it,
didn't say about the color and
there you go. So
they didn't say about the color of
did that, but make it the same as much as possible. This said center, but it looks like not center, huh? Oh no, it's center because the page is until here. So it's fine. Save and print your work. So that's it. That's actually the whole thing. So you have this. This is your freaking second work. And this is your first one. Get it? Stop it.